Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. So today I wanted to show you some haul video, and the first thing I'm showing you is the Kiwi Club for the month of September, and these are the awesome templates that come with it. It's called Happy Life, and I'm going to do a quick run through of everything that comes in the kit. And this is a monthly kit, so every month you get different templates with papers that all coordinate perfectly together, and also 3x4 and I believe 4x6 like journaling and title cards. So these are the different templates that come with it, and as you can see, all the flowers do fit in together. You get the butterfly and a banner, as well as these really cool cards. And I'm just going to go right. They're all double-sided, so you do have one side has something on it, like a sentiment, and usually the other side is just a pattern. Some of them you can use for journaling. They have the journaling lines, and this one's all about happiness, being happy, giggling, giggle time. And it just goes on and on. The quality is amazing. The color saturation is beautiful. The colors are not your typical, pastels or your typical primary colors. They have a completely different color line that I really like. So you get two of the first two that I showed you, and then everything else is double-sided. And if I'm not mistaken, you get a total of 12 sheets of paper. And as you can see here, that is basically what comes in the kit. And I will have links in my description to my shop where you can definitely join if you'd like. And this is from the new collection, and this is the Matthew Boulevard. I also ordered the, I forgot what it's called. Hang on. I should have had those ready for you. So the cheerful, you're also seeing the woodland creatures. You saw the school one. This is the card kit just because. I also got the a la carte gift, the a la carte tie, and the a la carte mountain. Now, my next Happy Mail was my Hip Kit Club for September, and you get this, the ephemera. You get a stamp set from Dear Lizzie. They're really cute, and they're layering type. This is from Pink Fresh Studio, and these are all new things that are out. These stickers are like a silver color with pink buttons, and then you get one of each of these double-sided papers. And most of the collections are Pink Fresh Studio. There's some Paige Evans. There's also some Pink Paisley, and I want to say there might be some Dear Lizzie as well. But every month it's different. Every month they completely make me fall in love with them more. I wish I can afford to buy all their kits, but I do try to buy, when I really like a kit, I do get all of them, including the embellishment and the Project Life set, and they also have a color set. And so here are some Paige Evans stencils, and I ordered these three. There's a bubble, there's a doily, and then there's that sunburst. And these are made of a heavy plastic, and you can find them on Paige Taylor Evans' website. The next thing I'm going to show you, and I'm totally in love with these, is the Title Builder stamp by Elle Studio, and I have been holding off buying them for a while. They also sent me that September highlights and that little card that just says thank you, and it talks about the different things that they have going on. And then my last thing, and this was like a birthday gift to myself, I've been drooling over the Chimel field trip collection, and I was able to order almost the entire thing from scrapbook.com. And here I'm showing you all the ephemera. These are like holographic. They're so cute. I can't wait to use them. There's some foil alphas. And this is a 6x8 journaling pad. These blue alphas with like a green foam, and then there are red ones with a pink foam. And then these stickers, cardstock stickers. So those were the ephemera that I got. I also ordered this die cut cardstock, and all those little things from the color wheel all pop out. And this is the field trip 12 by 12 paper pad. And they're not double-sided, so I'm going to try to go through all of them so you can see all the papers. And for the most part, some of these have like a silver foil to them. Not all the pages. Some do, some don't. It has cut apart. It has all kinds of... I absolutely love that whole planet little page there. Then I also ordered 2 of each of her loose papers. And somehow I ended up with a couple sheets of paper that I don't remember ordering, but could have possibly ordered them accidentally. So as you can see, there are 2 of each. So I'm showing you the back and then the front of them. And these aren't necessarily like boyish. You know, some of these papers can definitely be used without a theme, or a field trip theme rather. Like for example, that purple one, this is probably one of my favorites. I ordered 3 of that one. So as you can see, for the most part, I did order 2 of each. I love that one. That kind of reminds me of my childhood. Here's some couple other ones, and this one is, I do have some pictures from like the American History Museum or the Museum of Natural History, and there are some dinosaurs, so I'm looking forward to scrapping those. These I don't remember ordering, but whatever, I guess they'll be gifted to somebody that does the triple jump. I don't even know what that is. So these are the cut aparts. There is some insect papers, which is super cute. I don't remember ordering this one either, but I think it's super cute and I definitely can use that. Here's another cut apart. And I'm getting to the end of my paper. Thanks so much for watching, and looking forward to showing you some new layouts using these products. Stay tuned.